Fierce, Polk, Rusk, St. Croix, and Trevolo. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Southeastern Rusk County in northwestern Wisconsin, northeastern Chippewa County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line from 5 miles southeast of Ladysmith to 8 miles west of Cornell, or along a line from 5 miles southeast of Ladysmith to 23 miles north of Eau Claire, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Conrath, Ladysmith, Tony, Cornell, Glen Flora, Holcomb, Ingram, Sheldon, and Hawkins. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Chippewa, and Rusk.
Yo, what?
Severe thunderstorm warning for central Buffalo County until 7:15 p.m. At 6:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Elma, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Alma around 6:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Lock and Dam 4, Montana, Wyoming D, Highway 95 and County G, Harold, Highways 37 and 35, Intel. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in La Crosse. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following county: Buffalo, Wisconsin. Buffalo County, southern Trevolo County, until 8 p.m. At 7:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Arcadia, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-sized hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and vehicles outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Arcadia around 7:10 p.m. Galesville around 7:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Highway 95 and County D, Camp Decorah, Beach Corners, Dodge, Bird State Park, Marshland, and Thimble Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in La Crosse. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Buffalo, and Trempealeau. County in southeastern Minnesota, southeastern Buffalo County, southwestern Trempealeau County, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Rolling Stone, for 8 miles northwest of Winona, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will be near Winona, Goodview, and Fountain City around 7:45 p.m. Trempealeau around 8:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Checo, Merritt State Park, Lock and Dam 5A, Dodge, Bird State Park, Wilson, and Marshland. This includes Interstate 90 in Minnesota between mile markers 251 and 260. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in La Crosse. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Buffalo, and Trempealeau. Eastern southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Elroy around 8:50 p.m. Wanna walk around 9:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Barton's Corners, Dell's Timberland Campground, Johnson Hill, Linden Station, Stangroff Campground, Glendale, and Bender's Corners. This includes the following highways: Interstate 90/94 between mile marker 67 and 86. Interstate 90 in Wisconsin between mile markers 34 and 43. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Juneau, Monroe, and Vernon. You're listening to NOAA Web.
Observe.
The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a tornado warning for east central Monroe County and west central Wisconsin until 9 p.m. At 8:36 p.m., a tornado-producing storm was located 7 miles south of Toma, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of east central Monroe County, including the following locations: Clinton, Highway 131, and Countia, and Regeville. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Northeastern Houston County in southeastern Minnesota, central La Crosse County, southwestern Trempealeau County, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Winona, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Trempealeau around 8:45 p.m. Dakota and Bright Prairie around 9 p.m. La Crosse and French Island around 9:10 p.m. La Crescent on Alaska, Howman, and La Crosse Airport around 9:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include north side of La Crosse, Bird State Park, the Valley View Mall, Pickwick, New Hartford, County Roads M and West, and Dressbach. This includes the following highways: Interstate 90 in Minnesota between mile markers 262 and 276. Interstate 90 in Wisconsin between mile markers 1 and 12. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following: Trempealeau, Wisconsin. National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a tornado warning for southern Juneau County in central Wisconsin until 9:30 p.m.
Well, that worked.
At 8:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles northwest of Elroy, or 12 miles west of Boston, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact: flying Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Boston around 9 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Arrowhead Resort Campground, Dells Timberland Campground, Lindina, Johnson Hill, Linden Station, Stand Rock Campground, and Eagle Park Campground. This includes Interstate 90/94 between mile markers 62 and 86. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. North of Lubusha, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include $half-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat.
Hey, you can't just...
The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Mondovi around 9:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Mondovi Airfield, Mishimoqua, Maxville, the Big Swamp area, Ern, and Ella. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following county: Buffalo, Wisconsin. At 9:36 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles northeast of Wisconsin Dells to near Reedsburg, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Arrowhead Resort Campground, County Roads B&T, Dells Timberland Campground, KML Campground, County Roads BMK, Highway 23 and County G, Stand Rock Campground, Highway 23 and County B, Big Spring, Eagle Park Campground, Bass Lake Campground, Rocky Arbor State Park, Holiday Shores Campground, Highway 82 and County B, Plainville, and River Bay Campground. This includes Interstate 90/94 between mile markers 82 and 86. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Adams, and Juneau.
Oh my god, I'm getting it. No way. Oh my god. Oh, I can get it too. What is this?
Dangerous storm will be near.
Oh, I hear them. Holy shit.
Central Iowa, Central Iowa, till 11:15 p.m. Tornado and ping pong all simultaneously. Will be damaged or destroyed. And vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near around 10:15 p.m. Extremely difficult to see and control. Do not take cover now. The warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m.
They were laying.
South Central Iowa, northeastern Warren County, and South Central Iowa.
Uh-oh.
Flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pleasantville, Lake Red Rock, Hartford, Swan, and Sandyville. Be especially conscious at night when it is hardest to recognize the dangers of flooding. For the latest stream conservation the noise flash over. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Oh, this camera's almost dead. You gotta be fucking with me.
The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Clark County in south central Iowa. Central Iowa, northern County in southwestern Iowa, p.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. The following impacts are expected. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Crescent, Greenfield, Green Valley Lake, Lake Icaria, Now, Orient, Lorna, Latin, Cumberland, Greenfield Municipal Airport and Lake Icaria State Park. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. For the latest stream observations and forecasts, weather water. Currently